Once in a lifetime, an innovation comes along that changes the course of mankind. A modern marvel of science and engineering. Allow me to introduce Cosmo. Cosmo? Cosmo! Oh boy. Yes, Cosmo. We can play later.
But cutting-edge robotics and AI technology lets Kiki evolve, depending on your interactions. Kiki misses you when you're gone. Or not. Because just like you, every Kiki is unique. She can be a little protective, especially around strangers. But over time, she will warm up to them. Kiki gets smarter every day, and you can even teach her new tricks. Kiki's always on your team. She understands how you're feeling, and will try her best to cheer you up. Different Kikis learn from each other. Bring them together to watch the magic happen. After a long day, Kiki's there to welcome you home. Because you're special to her.
You've always dreamed of having a robot companion. Now Kiki is here for you.
Bring your dream robot to reality.